What do you do if your mortgage is renewing? Like, is there any chance that I have a mortgage on a 5-year term? It's renewal time, and I don't qualify to maintain the mortgage that I have.
Yeah, so great question, Terry. The as long as you've been making your payments with the existing lender, they're going to renew that mortgage for you in most cases. Okay, especially with a bank. If you've got that mortgage with a bank, um, you don't have to worry too much about qualifying again. It's just a case of, you pick a term and you pick a rate and away you go. So people can be can relax a little bit knowing that they're not going to be out of house and home at renewal time. Now, what I would recommend is for most people that are still able to qualify for that mortgage is to shop around when your mortgage is coming up for renewal. Check in with someone like myself and see what the current rates are. Take an application and see whether or not you qualify. If you don't qualify, then you know that your option would be to stay with the lender that you're at. But you certainly have a lot more leverage if you do still qualify in shopping around and finding out what a fair rate is. And the other thing is too that a lot of lenders are very competitive at renewal time. So if you are looking at changing lenders, a lot of lenders have cash incentives, point systems in place. They'll cover the costs for you to move your mortgage. So you're a free agent at maturity, right? Because that mortgage is now open. You have to do something with it. So, that's the time for you to negotiate what it is that you want to do with that mortgage. And the other thing is, the best time to start that process is not a week or two before maturity, but again, that 120 days before, right? So you start shopping around 120 days before, you take an application with somebody, and they're able to hold a rate for your renewal up to 120 days. And that's key as well, because many banks will early renew you, but they're not holding that for 120 days. So a lot of people that are coming up for renewal right now obviously have much better rates than what are being offered right now. So if you've got a rate currently of 2%, the last thing you want to do is renew it right now. You want to hold on to that for the next 3-4 months. But what you can do is, if you're seeing somebody like me and I've got an application in place, I can hold that rate for you until your renewal, so you can still benefit from the low rate until the date of renewal, and then you're able to switch lenders. So I've been doing this for 23 years now. The last 13 have been with RBC, but I was with the red team prior to coming over to RBC. So I've been doing this quite a while.